Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video, we discussed the concept 4, right? Related to that, we are having here worksheet 4. Okay, let us see here what is the first question from this one. If two lines are having a common point, then they are called. Okay, here two lines are there and two lines also having that common point. Then we can draw like this only, no? Okay, ma. Then we will call this point as intersecting point. Okay, and they're asking here, then there are those two lines. What we will call those two lines here? Those two are intersecting lines. What are those? Those two are intersecting lines. Okay, ma? Yes. Next, second one, say that if L and M are parallel, then we can represent them as, okay, L, M and are parallel. Okay, what is the symbol of a parallel, ma, here? Actually, here these two are missed, ma. Okay. In that options, these two missed here. Okay, this is that line segment LM. This is L is perpendicular to M and this is straight line LM and this is the line segment LM and parallel. Parallel means here L is parallel to M. Okay. Then here which one is correct, ma? Option D, L is parallel to M. Okay. Yes. Third one, the two lines having infinite common points. Two lines are having infinite common points. Infinite common points means these two lines also lies on each other. Infinitely many points. Okay, which means that these two lines are coincident lines. Then only we can say that two coincident lines means two lines also overlapped on each other. Okay, here this is one of the line and this is another line. These two lines are overlapped on each other. Then here infinitely many points. Okay, here some points are there and here some points are there. Okay, those two points are overlapped means those points become as common points. Understood, ma? Then here these two lines are coincident lines. Okay, this is line L and this is line M. Okay, here we can say that infinitely many common points are there means those two are coincident lines. Understood? Yes. Next, fourth one, say that in the adjacent figure, the lines are AB and CD. These two, what we will call those two, ma, here? See that infinitely many points I said, no? When these two lines are overlapped on each other, here infinitely many points. Why? Because straight line means what? The set of, okay, while joining the points, a set of infinitely points in a straight path. Then we will get that straight line, right? And here also, while joining these two lines, okay, overlapped on each other, then we are having here infinitely many points. Okay, ma? Many common points. Then we will call these two lines as coincident lines. Okay? Yes. Fifth one, the distance between two parallel lines anywhere. Here, this is one of the parallel line. This is one of the line and this is another line. These two lines are parallel to each other. Okay? Let it be some L and this is some M. Okay? Here, L is parallel to M. Now, what they're asking, ma, here, then the distance between these two lines, distance between those two lines means when we can say those two are parallel here, they never meet at any point. Two straight lines, they never meet at any point. Okay, ma. Here you may have the doubt. Here, this is one of the line and this is another line. Are those two lines are parallel lines? Here, these lines are parallel lines, ma. Here, these lines are not parallel lines. These lines are intersecting lines. Why? Because this is a straight line. Okay, arrow mark indication is there means that line can be extended in both directions, right? Now here, this line also extended like this. Then somewhere here we are having that common point. Okay, ma? That's why here two straight lines also in a straight path. Two straight lines means always that straight line is in a straight path right here. Okay, if these two lines are, see here, there is no any other common point here, right? That's why here what is the distance between these two lines? For example, here 5 centimeters is there and here also 5 centimeters is only there. Okay, and in the same way, here also 5 centimeters only there. From this one, what we can say from this? See here, the distance between these two lines, these two parallel lines on the plane is always same. Okay, see here. If it will not be same, then that is those two lines are not parallel lines. Okay, somewhere they may meet here. Understood, ma? Yes, these two are parallel lines and intersecting lines. Okay, here there is a variation in the distance, variation between distance here. Understood, ma? Yes. Next, sixth question. The angle between any two parallel lines. What is the angle here? Two parallel lines means these two lines are passing like this, right? On a plane. Now, what is the angle? Is there any ray here? Is there any common point? Common point is there means then we have some angle. But here common point only not there. Then what is that angle? Here angle is a zero angle. What is that angle, ma? Here angle is a zero angle. 0 degrees. Clear? Yes. Seventh one. In the adjacent figure, the lines L, M and N. Okay. See here, these three lines, what we will call those lines? Here L, M, those two lines are having that common point here. And N, L, these two are having common point here. M and here N, this is having common point here. Okay, then what we will call those lines, ma? Here two lines intersect at the same point. Okay, two lines having that common point. Two lines having common point means those two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, option D. Next, eighth one, statement A. The concurrent lines have two common points. Concurrent lines having 2 points. Is it correct, ma? Concurrent lines means these lines only, no? Having how many common points are there? Number of common points. How many common points are there, ma? Here number of infinitely many number of lines passing through the same point. That is the definition of concurrent lines, right? 3 or more lines, 3 or more than 3 lines passing through the same point. Same point means how many points? Only 1 point. But as per this one here, they are saying 2 common points. 2 common points not there here. Okay, that's why here only 1 point is there. That's why assertion is wrong here. A means here assertion. What they given here, that is wrong. Statement A is wrong. Statement A is wrong. Now come to that statement B. The concurrent lines have no common points. How we can say that? Okay, see, if concurrent lines, if that lines are not having any common point, then how we can say those lines are concurrent lines? Okay, that is also not possible, right? Concurrent lines means those all the lines, three or more than 3 lines are passing through the same point. If a point is there, through that same point only, from that 1 point only, we can draw that infinitely many lines. Then we will call that one as concurrent lines. But as per that statement here, they are saying that only here 2 points are there. So that is wrong. Statement B, they are saying that no common point. That is also wrong only. Okay, that's why here statement A and B are both also false here. Understood, ma? This is about that worksheet 4. Okay, in that next video, we will discuss about that next concept 5. And in the same way, after that, we will discuss about that worksheet 5 questions. Okay, thank you all.